Have you ever pondered on the resilience of a nation? Or the power of a people's spirit despite the odds stacked against them? Today, we dive into the historical and cultural tapestry of a land that has borne witness to the rise and fall of empires and civilizations, Palestine. In the annals of history, Palestine is an ancient land. Its roots stretch back to the dawn of civilization, with archaeological evidence pointing to human habitation as far back as the Late Bronze Age, around 1500 BC. Throughout the ages, Palestine has been a melting pot of cultures and civilizations, from the Canaanites to the Philistines, the Romans, the Byzantines, and the Ottomans. Palestinians, the people of this land, have a rich and diverse heritage. They carry the legacy of their ancestors, a legacy infused with the influences of the many civilizations that have made this land their home. Their cultural traditions, from music and dance to cuisine and craft, are a testament to their resilience and adaptability. Jerusalem, the city at the heart of Palestine, is a city like no other. It is a city of faith, a city of history, a city of conflict, and a city of hope. It is a city that has seen kingdoms rise and fall, that has been the center of religious fervor for millennia, and that continues to be a symbol of the Palestinian struggle for self-determination. Beyond Jerusalem, the West Bank and Gaza are home to millions of Palestinians living under occupation. Life here is a testament to the human spirit's resilience. Despite the walls and checkpoints, the curfews and restrictions, Palestinians continue to live, work, study, and dream of a better future. The struggle for Palestinian independence is a central theme in the narrative of this land. From the Balfour Declaration in the early 20th century to the present day, Palestinians have been striving for recognition, justice, and the right to self-determination. Yet the challenges facing Palestinians are not only political, they are also humanitarian. With limited access to resources, healthcare, and education, Palestinians face significant hardships. But they also show remarkable resilience, turning to innovation, resourcefulness, and community support to overcome these challenges. Looking to the future, there is a vision of a Palestine where justice prevails, where human rights are respected, and where peace is more than just a distant dream. This vision is carried in the hearts of Palestinians, it is sung in their songs, it is written in their poetry, and it is the driving force behind their struggle. To wrap up, the journey of Palestine is a journey of resilience and hope. It is a journey shaped by history, marked by struggle, and driven by a vision for a better future. This journey is not just about a piece of land or a political issue. It is about a people's right to live in dignity, freedom, and peace. It is about the universal human values that we all hold dear: justice, equality, and the right to self-determination.